Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And whoa, we have a critical Google Chrome update today. And what I mean critical is that there are 5 different critical 0 days in Google Chrome that are possibly exploited in the wild. There's no mention, but when it's critical, it's usually bad guys know about it. And it's not one or two or three, it's like, whoa, 5. And there's tons of high severity. In total, there's 30 security flaws in Google Chrome today. So go to your upper right corner and the 3 vertical dots, go down to help about Google Chrome and make sure you update to 147.0.7727.137 or 138. It is extremely important to update your browser today. It will be extremely important to update all the Chromium browsers in the coming days because this is an amazing amount of security flaws. It is interesting that in the past few weeks, there have been so many flaws discovered in Google Chrome suddenly. And in Chromium, there's something that is happening. Is there more developers, more security researchers trying to find flaws? One thing for sure, it's pretty crazy. 30 flaws this week for Chrome. And once again, 5 critical flaws. This is just amazing. So if you want to stay safe, you've got to update. Once again, your antivirus has no effect and serves no purpose on security flaws. Anybody thinking that, I got a good antivirus, I'm okay, you don't know what security is all about. Update Chrome. That's the way you're going to stay safe as you go online, as these security flaws will not be exploited in the wild. So do it now. It's extremely important. Once again, today, April the 29th, 2026. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.